Okay, guys, we start on YouTube live on Talk and Talk channel. Welcome to TNT, a safe platform for developing language learning through an active methodology. It's practicing English, practicing Spanish or other language. Speaking, it's a assistive methodology, and it's very good because it works right through me, through a lot of people uh, using this platform. Hi, doing? Good evening, guys. How are you? Oh, sorry,
Okay, uh,
you are
can I
mute.
introduce? Yeah, can I introduce myself?
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah, okay. Hello YouTube. I'm Eduino. I'm 30 years old. I was born and raised in Angola, but I have been living in Brazil since 2024 2014, yes. And I live in south of Brazil in my city called São Leopoldo, is 30 minutes to Porto Alegre capital. I work remotely as a software engineer to a company in São Paulo. And yeah, I'm here in Talking Talk almost 1 years. And in my free time, I enjoy listening music, programming, learning, reading book. Yeah, I think that's it.
Okay, thank you very much. I have a question. What do your country was born? You born?
Oh, sorry?
What do your country do you born?
Angola.
Angola. In
Yes.
Angola, I speak Portuguese too. Yeah,
Yes, of course.
but is most different Portuguese in Brazil.
Yes, different accent. Mhm.
Yeah, yeah. I have some friends in Cabo Verde staying in my city, and the Portuguese is very polite in Cabo Verde.
Yeah.
It's very similar to Portuguese to Portugal, and it's very different to Portuguese in Brazil.
Yes, of course. For formal. Yeah. But there are many slangs, some words with different meanings. Yeah.
Yeah. My name is Genemes, Francis Genemes. I'm a host on Talk and Talk. I live in Cajazeiras, by state. It's northeast in Brazil. I'm married. I have three kids, and I'm software engineer too. Um, I I'm software engineer. I have the two 12 years ago, and today I work using artificial intelligence, and the topic, the theme in this immersion is about artificial intelligence too. In my free time, I enjoy reading technical books, music. I play guitar. My kids will enjoy a lot to play music with me, and I stay with my wife, my kids. It's very good for relax, and I spend a lot of time my day uh, with the. It's so special to me. Uh, do you know the question number one? What do you think artificial intelligence is? Can you start?
Yes, good question. This question seems easy, but it's not easy to to say. to defining artificial intelligence. Actually, um, I remember 26 years ago in 2019, in my work of conclusion of a course in a graduation was about artificial intelligence. Many years before the hyping was about the convolutional network. Yes, I used to say that artificial intelligence for me is uh, the ability to teach the machines or the computer to think. It means to learn the computer to make decision, to imitate human intelligence. We can use the data, preview data to teach the machine to analyze data, to recognize patterns, solve problems on their own without human interference. Yeah, it can divided in different ways of artificial intelligence, but the main idea is that teach the machine to learn to imitate the way human intelligence, yes,
Yeah,
and can be applied in different areas as we will discuss in this immersion.
yeah. Yes, I totally agree with you. To me, artificial intelligence is a powerful tool, and it's very good because it uh, can help uh, all people. Automation a lot of activities in their days. In my case, I use to automation some activities in my work. It's very good because I don't spend time in repetition activities, and it's very good to automation. But artificial intelligence is a algorithm, and it's follow algorithm, follow mathematics rules. It's not exactly for 1000% of occasions, but it's a good and powerful tool to improve your productivity. Is not uh, is not 100% right because it's having a lot of hallucination, and it's not good to the information. But for repetition activity, it's very good. But it's not used for example, for um, consume news because it's a good powerful for create fake news too. Artificial intelligence in general is a algorithm, and uh, it's not good or bad in essence. It's a powerful. It's a tool, simple tool, but it's powerful. The question number two: do you use an AI tool in your daily life? Which ones? In my case, I see I use Cloud Code. Do you know Cloud Code?
Yes, I know.
Yeah, I use Cloud Code. I create agents to help me create integration tests, unitary tests, and the codification my code base too. But the agents don't work alone. I'm supervisor for how code create uh, because it's not a the powerful is very good because I have more productivity, but I don't believe 100% code it's very good. I need I need the code review in this code base because in some cases the code generated it's not good, and I need I need review or improve my code base, and don't have bugs in my tasks. I like use it to Gemini because it's free and it's powerful too. I use ChatGPT too, but I don't, I don't have the premium version. I use the free version, my cell phone, my smartphone, to speak English and training to job interviews. And you?
Yeah, I totally agree with you. I think that we use artificial intelligence more than we realize, you know. Nowadays we have artificial intelligence integrated in all devices. In my phone's camera, and my keyboard to suggest me words, in Spotify, suggest musics, YouTube, Netflix. Yeah, it's already part of almost every digital experience we have. And related to tools, I use ChatGPT, I use Cursor in my job to help me to improve my uh, jobs. Yeah, I use different tools, and yeah, it's very helpful nowadays. I use an 8N to automate some tasks, as you said before, and but not necessarily AI, but when I want to put AI in my automations, I use tool. Yeah, this is the tools, but nowadays AI is integrated in everything in digital experiences. Yeah.
Okay, thank you very much. The question number three, how has automation changed in that way we work? My case, um, in my case, it helped me uh, get more productive for writing the code and the tests and the software, and help me can review a big code base for my colleagues in my work. It's helped me too because the code review you should spend a lot of time to do a good code review because code review it's not necessary to correct the syntax or the way for the way for the way for code using uh, using syntax different, but it's important to maintain clean code, solid principles, and in my vision, you should verify is really business not to break with the difference code, the new code create. It's very important. And the artificial intelligence help me with this because I don't uh, I don't worry about clean code or solid principles. I concentrated only in really business. It's important. It's important in the role business. The artificial intelligence doesn't know, and the other parts, the artificial intelligence is very good and it's very fast, and it can help me a lot. And the automation in my work, I use it a lot for this code review, create new functionalities, and create tests, integration tests, unitary tests. It's very important too. And you?
Yes, I would like to use more automation in my life, and I know that automation has changed a lot the way we work nowadays, has transformed workplace by saving times. Many repetitive tasks that used to take more time, more hours, are now done by using automation, using softwares. Um, for example, many companies has used automations to response emails, to you, to human resource use automation to response candidates, especially in the first stage of the job interview, job process. And it show us that for the next years, the people need to adapt the market, need to develop new skills relevant, because many of the things is automated. We need to develop different skills to adapt the new job market, And yeah, automation is so important. Automation can reduce human error, can increase efficiency, can save our times, And yeah, but I would like to use more automation in my daily life. I personally used automation in my personal projects. I have projects when I needed to integrate WhatsApp with Supabase to response my clients. I used N8N and evaluation API to integrate my WhatsApp. But in my daily life, I would like to use automation to organize my newsletter. I subscribe it in different newsletter to receive different news about techs, about AI. I would like to create some type of automation that's organize my newsletter and choose what is important and resume and summarize for me what is important, you know, and convert in audio and give me as a podcast, and I can listen and as a notebook LM say, something like this. I would like to. I have different ideas in my mind to create different automations. It's so cool. It's good environment, good words to explore. Yeah, I like so much this word.
It's very good. Congratulations.
Yeah.
What is your tech stack?
Um, in my job, I work as a front end. I use uh, React, JavaScript ecosystem frameworks, and whatever. But in my personal projects, I am a full stack. I use Node.js, Python, Supabase, everything. I try to use. Uh, I'm very curious. Yes, I'm seeking for knowledge always. Yeah, I try to. to use as a possible. Yeah. But nowadays, I'm focusing in improve my skills in artificial intelligence too, especially LLM integrations. I'm studying about LangChain, for example, and yeah, and crew AI too. I would it's very interesting to know.
It's very good. I'm full stack in my work. I using I using Java backend and the Vue.js front end. But yeah, I prefer backend. In this case, I create a agent for help me with my tasks on Vue.js. And it's very assertiveness. It's very good using cloud code agents on cloud code. It's very good. And
Yeah,
the and the
I like Cloud Code, but I thought maybe it's really expensive, but it's very effective. Yeah, nowadays.
yes, it's expensive, but it's the same price to ChatGPT, hundreds of reais. But it's more expensive than Gemini. Gemini is very um, cheap compared to our tools. And I love a LangChain. And for Java, we have a LangChain 4J. It's very good. Use it in one project, and it's very interesting. We have others, others platforms, others frameworks to integrate Java with the AI. But yeah, I like LangChain for J because it's very easy. Change Gemini to Cloud Code to ChatGPT and the others AI tools. It's very easy. Uh, make this change. It's very simple when um, you don't have the problems in your code. The code is the same code. The code not change. You change
Yeah, the,
only the AI.
yeah, we have more abstraction in this library. Uh, the important thing is to understand how agents works, in understand the paper, how is the foundation, the concept, because the implementation is so easy. The implementation, for example, the long chain released recently, the long chain 2.0 is so easy. We have in different language TypeScript, Python. It's very easy to implement. We have AI SDK for SDK for Vercel. We have different tools to build agents. I think that's the important thing is to understand the better choice, what is the model to use, what is the concept, what is the best scenario, what's your problem? Yeah, it's the challenge.
Yeah, and I know N2 NHN. It's a simple tool, but it's powerful. And I have a friend. My friend, it's not IT area. My friend, it's a lawyer and a policy. But my friend created automation using NHN, and
Yeah.
this automation and the a lot of lawyers in my city, and it's very simple, but
Yeah,
it's
it's drag and drop,
incredible.
you choose The tools, drag and drop. It's very easy to connect. Yeah, it's very easy.
Yeah, and it's simple but powerful. Uh,
Yeah.
so
If you use NITN Cloud, you can build your automation and instantly your automation is on cloud. You can use instantly. Yeah.
and he has more automation and try messages on WhatsApp API for about the leilão. I don't know in English, and it's very good because my friend have millions of clients for this automation. And my friend is a policy. Is not a IT guy. It's it's so different because the IT area today is hard to start, and the people, the juniors, the developers, don't have more opportunities. But my friend create his automation, create his software, and pay both this situation, this necessity, and it's so very good to my friend, and today he has more money with automation than his principal work, like as a policy.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's very good. The question number 5. How do you think AI can help developers write better code? Can you start?
Uh, Number five, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, AI can help so much developers write cleaner and more efficient code by analyzing the patterns. Nowadays, we have different tools like uh, Cursor, Cloud Code, and where we have a code base and agents can analyze our code base, our patterns, and according to our patterns, can generate more effectively new codes, new features, fixing bugs, even create a pull requests, everything. Yeah, automation test. Yeah, repetitive in parts of programming is very interesting to developing using tools to generating code. Yeah. Recently, I read on the internet that I don't remember what's big company, but most of 50% of the code of the company is generated by AI. Yeah, it's the reality nowadays. Um, it's important, but we I see on the internet different discussion about this, about vibe coding, about using AI to generate code. I think that it's very important, but we need to be more carefully and to know what is what we are generating because the code will need to maintenance. We need to pay attention what's the code we are generate. But in general, it's so useful. Yeah, nowadays.
Yes. Um, I like using notebook LLM to start using a new new language, like if, for example, Python. I don't develop Python, but I I needed to create Python script in the next week and use Notebook LLM to help me. I use it for reference the documentation of Python, the official documentation, and some books on PDF, and I have upload on Notebook LLM, write my code, and write my prompt, help me improve my code using good principles of software engineer to improve my code, and it's help me a lot because I I don't know this correct syntax for writing good code in Python, and the notebook LLM help me. And in determined case, I use the array, and the notebook LLM suggest me using map, and it's working very well in my code. The question number 6. Have you ever integrated AI on machine learning into a project? Yeah, integrated AI, no, not machine learning. I integrate AI on a two softwares. When I work on Sul América Saúde, we have a solution on based on machine learning, on artificial intelligence, but it's a goal. The ChatGPT, Gemini, the solution is created for my team, and we use it this code base, this machine learning for redirect our clients to the better outcome. It's a very good because uh, the the artificial intelligence have 95% of assertiveness. It's very good because the model is trained daily for day for day, and we have professionals to train the nurses, train the nurse train the model diariamente, daily new train, and the assertiveness is increasing in this time. It's so very hard help grow this code base, but it's so very good because the result is very good for the company. And you have experience using machine learning or AI integration?
Yes, a few years ago, I had a project in university where I needed to create my own model by I had different images from reservoirs of oil. My task was to create a model, a convolutional model, to identify the fractures in the rocks. I like to explore oils. Yeah, people need to identify what is the fractures in the rocks. And I create the models to identify the segmentation. Yes. Uh, in this time, at this time, I didn't had many models that we have today. So I needed to create my models, train my models, and use it into my projects. Yeah, it was really good experience to understand different steps of the learning of the building on a neural networks, evaluate the accuracy of your models and adjust your hyperparameters to find the perfect fits for your datas. It was a really good experience to understand. But nowadays it's more, I think that's more easy to apply AI in a project. Of course, that's depend on the project, but nowadays it's very easy because we have many models around the world, pre-training models on Hugging Face, for example. We have different models for OCR, for computer vision. Yes, and yeah, I try to test different models, and when I am studying, I use different examples. I have account on a Route. Route is a platform when we pay, and we have access for different models you can use for testing your projects, your dummy projects, only for funny. Yeah, it's really really good. Yeah, I try to use, but I would like to save a time for testing for improve my skills.
Okay, it's very good. The question number 6, 7. What ethical concerns do you see in AI automation? Um, it's a it's an important question
Mhm.
because in Brazil, um, months ago, uh, a friend, a black friend, uh, said me it's the AI is racist. Ah, it's not exist. It's not exist. AI is not racist because it's a software, it's algorithm. But uh, what the people trained, what data for used for training. This data is very important, and the AI is racist because the data used for training it's not good. If the data if the data is good, was good data, the AI is not racist. AI is not a machista, or don't criticize the as minorias. And it's crazy, and but it's important question about ethical concerns. Um, Today we have a lot of talks about the fake news, and it's so very important. And the next year in Brazil is important year because the election for the new president. In the time before election timing is perfect time to share fake news and social medias and using WhatsApp or a lot of social media or other platforms tools. And the AI, in my vision, have should should help identify better the fake news and videos or news notices, and about the racist racista episodes, it's very dangerous because it's it's não deveria existir, and it's so dangerous for people in general. How about you?
Yeah, yeah, I agree with you. I think that the biggest uh, concerns about ethical nowadays is privacy and accountability. For example, AI system can collect personal information data without the people realizing, without your consent. Algorithm can sometimes reinforce unfair stereotypes related to races, related to women, yes, genres, different genres. Yeah, for example, if an AI makes harmful decision to another, who is responsible? Yes, accountability is very important. I think that the companies and developers must build AI system that are transparent. Yeah, need to be transparent, fair, and respect the human rights. Yeah, it's so important and ethical. I think that this topic is will be discussed for following years a lot. Yes, there are many ethical discussion involved in this question.
It's very good. The next question, actually, question number 8. How do you think AI will impact the job market in the next 10 years? It's impacted a lot of people. Today, Amazon fired 3,000 people because using AI for automation. And it's so crazy because to start it on uh, Amazon, Microsoft, is the big tech things. It's very hard, and the person should the high the top tier of developers, and the best of top developers get fired because they use AI. And the normal develops and can risks to this too. And I think AI will impact in the future, but it's not similar to the journals or the news announcement because AI is today is a hype. It's very good. It's very good and very important too, but it's hype. We have the company in India using India developers to to show outcome to the clients. It's a big lie. It's not real. And today we have a lot of situations, a lot of products using AI, and it's hype and not good products. Using AI for boost your impact, boost the new clients, and in the future, their products, bad products, its risk is on the market. How about you, Edwin?
Yeah, I agree with you. Many companies are promoting itself as a, uh modern company using AI, but they are not really using AI. Automation is not necessary AI, for example. I think that in next 10 years, jobs that involve repetitive tasks will probably disappear. Yes, but new opportunities will appear in the field, like data science, for example, AI ethics, automation design, prompt engineering, different career will uh, appear in the next years. I believe that the important things, the important skills to develop in the next years is creativity, is problem solving, emotional intelligence. The professionals with these skills will be more valuable in the futures. And adaptability is very important because uh, the things is changing so quickly, and we need to change. We need to stay up to date and more uh, to adapt more quickly to the changes is very important. Yes, I see in the our area in IT area many people refusing to adapt a new era of AI. Many people don't touch in AI, especially the old school people, you know. Yes, especially experienced programmers uh, is neglecting is refusing about AI, but I disagree with that. It's very important to stay updated to adaptability will be the key in the future. Yes, because the things is so quickly the change. Remember last year, uh, when we see the video generated by AI in the last year, and when we compare the video generated by AI by now, whoa, the difference is so huge. Difference, you know, the models evolution is very quickly. Yeah.
Okay, thank you very much, people. We